Hi friends, today my recipe is Nankhatai Biscuits. The word Nankhatai is derived from the Persian word naan, which means bread, and khatai means biscuit. They can be called in shortbread cookies or biscuits. In a bowl, whisk ghee, 1 cup of ghee and 1 cup of sugar powder with a spoon, or whisk until creamy, light and pale. Add 1 cup of maida, 1/4 cup of suji, a pinch of salt and cardamom powder and baking powder half teaspoon into the ghee sugar mixture. Combine everything using a spatula, then use your hands to bring the dough together. If the dough looks dry, add a teaspoon of ghee and gently work the dough until it comes together. Pinch a lime soil portion of the dough, roll it between your palms to form a smooth round shape, flatten them slightly. Place it on the baking tray lined with parchment paper. Repeat with the rest of the cookie dough. Place them 1 inch apart since they will expand on baking. Sprinkle some almond petals. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Bake a preheated oven for 25 minutes. It may take a little less or more time.